Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to write Apple Store reviews. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? To write an Apple Store review, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store. So let me just go ahead and do it for you. So open your App Store, and then all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the apps page down over here and scroll down until you go ahead and find the product. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on leave a review on the application that you want to. So for example, let's just say I want to go ahead and leave a review on YouTube, right? All you need to do is go down and go ahead and leave a review right over here. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.